In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an interactive form field in Figma. If you've been looking to spice up your design projects with interactive elements, then you've come to the right place. In just a few steps, you'll be able to incorporate interactive form fields into your Figma designs, adding a layer of engagement and functionality. Let's start by opening up Figma. If you haven't already, head over to the Figma website. It's the collaborative interface design tool that so many design professionals swear by. Once you're on the website, you'll need to log in. You can find the login button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and you'll be taken to your Figma homepage. This serves as your dashboard where you can access all your recent projects and other features that Figma offers. Now that we're on the homepage, look for the section that says Templates and Tools. This feature is particularly useful because it allows you to pull from existing templates, saving you time and giving you a solid starting point. Once there, you'll want to perform a search for an interactive form. Just type interactive form into the search bar. This will present you with a variety of templates that have been designed for this purpose. After you've searched for an interactive form, examine the results and select a template that suits your project's needs. Figma offers a range of interactive form templates, so take a moment to browse through the available options. Choose a template that you think will fit well with the rest of your design aesthetic and meets the specific interactive elements you're aiming to include. Once you've selected a template, you'll be able to open it up and start customizing. This is where the creative part really begins. Feel free to modify the template to better match your project's theme. Customize colors, fonts, and any other design elements needed to integrate the form seamlessly into your existing layout. Make sure to take advantage of Figma's robust set of design tools to make these edits as precise and beautiful as possible. Now you've successfully incorporated an interactive form field into your Figma design. Remember, the key to making interactive elements effective is ensuring that they blend harmoniously with your overall design while still offering that needed functionality. Play around with your options and utilize Figma's collaboration features to get input from team members. This can be a great way to refine your setup until it's just right. And there you have it. Creating an interactive form field in Figma is simple when you know the steps. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and inspires you to explore even more of Figma's capabilities. Thanks for watching and happy designing.